Hello children, I hope all of you are doing well. In our previous topic, we explored the composition of air. Here are the key points. Air is all around us. Although we can't see it, we can feel it and it takes up space. Air is a mixture of gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and a few others. Sometimes, air also contains tiny dust particles. Oxygen is crucial because it supports burning and is essential for living organisms. Is oxygen present only in air? Then, how the organisms living in water and soil survive? Now, as a continuation of previous topic, today we will discuss a new topic, air availability and replacement. This topic comes from the air around us, lesson in class 6 science, learning outcomes. After studying this topic, you will be able to understand how oxygen is available to organisms living in water and soil. Explore how oxygen is replaced in the atmosphere. Keywords: atmosphere, dissolved oxygen, water vapor, photosynthesis, windmills, electricity, water cycle. Let's see the concept map on air availability and replacement. How do you know that air is present in water? Try this simple activity to find out. Take some water in a glass or metal container. Heat the container slowly on a tripod stand. Before the water starts to boil, observe the inner surface of the container carefully. Do you see tiny bubbles forming? These bubbles are air that was dissolved in the water. As you heat the water, the dissolved air escapes. Eventually, as the water continues to heat, it turns into vapor and starts to boil. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals have adaptations such as streamlined bodies to help them move efficiently in water. These animals breathe oxygen dissolved in water through specialized structures called gills. Examples of aquatic animals include fish, octopuses, mollusks, sharks, and whales. Organisms that live in soil also need oxygen to respire. But how do they get the air they need for respiration? Take a lump of dry soil and place it in a beaker or glass. Add water to it and observe. Do you see bubbles rising from the soil? These bubbles indicate the presence of air in the soil. When water is added to the soil, it displaces the air, which appears as bubbles. Air is present in both soil and water, and plants respire by taking in this air through their roots. Animals that live in soil create numerous burrows and holes. These are called fossorial animals. These burrows create spaces that allow air to move in and out of the soil. The examples include mole rat, raccoons, badgers, earthworms, snakes, and tortoises, etc. However, during heavy rainfall, water fills these air spaces in the soil. As a result, animals living in the soil may need to come to the surface to breathe. This is why you might see more earthworms on the soil surface during the rainy season. A large number of living organisms breathe air, taking in oxygen. So, why is the oxygen level in the atmosphere not used up? How is the oxygen in the atmosphere replaced? Plants play a key role in this process through photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants produce their own food and release oxygen, while plants do consume oxygen for respiration. The amount of oxygen they release during photosynthesis exceeds the amount they use for respiration. Clearly, animals depend on plants for survival. The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through the respiration processes of both plants and animals, as well as the photosynthesis carried out by plants. This shows the interdependence of plants and animals. What other important uses does air have? Have you heard about windmills? Windmills use the force of the wind to rotate. They are utilized for drawing water from tube wells and for running flour mills. Additionally, windmills can generate electricity. Air is essential for the movement of sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes, and airplanes. Birds, bats, and insects are able to fly thanks to the presence of air. Air also aids in the dispersal of seeds and pollen from various plants. Furthermore, air plays a crucial role in the water cycle. This is all about air availability and replacement. Points to remember. Atmosphere is essential for life on Earth. Aquatic animals use dissolved air in water for respiration. Plants and animals depend on each other for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide from air. Air is essential for the movement of sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes, and airplanes. Air plays a crucial role in the water cycle. Thank you for watching.